Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best bagless upright vacuum cleaners you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many bagless upright vacuum cleaners and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each bagless upright vacuum cleaners so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a bagless upright vacuum cleaner. Start by checking the suction power because it determines how effectively the vacuum removes dirt from carpets and hard floors. Look for a model with a strong motor and adjustable suction levels for different surfaces. Next, consider the filtration system, especially if you have allergies. A HEPA filter can trap fine dust and allergens, keeping your air cleaner. Also, pay attention to the dust bin capacity and how easy it is to empty and clean, as this affects convenience and hygiene. Check the vacuum's weight and maneuverability to ensure it's comfortable to use around furniture and tight spaces. Finally, compare noise levels, cord length, and included attachments for added versatility. Choosing wisely can save time and effort in regular cleaning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.